can set your pendulum clock by Honda's item arranging cycles. The Civic gets supplanted generally at regular intervals, and that is right. About. Presently, the 11th year of Honda Civic is relied upon to be totally updated for the 2021 model year. Styling ought to develop on a similar direction as the as-of-late revived Odyssey, making the vehicle sleeker and marginally de-stressing the chrome unibrow in advance. In the back, the crab paw taillights will likely be casted off or something progressively downplayed. Inside, new innovation is guaranteed and liable to show as a bigger infotainment framework, with refreshed programming, a bigger screen in the instrument group, and a press-button gear selector for the program transmission. The standard models ought to show up in the fall, with a comparable beginning cost as the old model, around $22,000.